Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a pair of sugga, how to draw and how to paint. It's in Madhubani art style. For this we need paper, pencil, ruler, eraser. We also need a round plate or compass to draw the circle. We will need acrylic paints and brushes for painting. So let's start. This is my paper and I'm going to draw a 7.5 centimeter radius circle in the middle of the paper. So I'm raising it right now so that you all can see the paper, notebook's paper easily. So this one has a width of 20. So midpoint will be at 10. Okay. I have taken the radius 7.5. So 7.5, I'm drawing a circle. This is our first step, that's 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Now, second step is we will draw with the ruler a very dull dotted line. We can extend this line 1 or 2 centimeter on the top also, and later on we have to erase it. Now I'm going to draw another line here exactly in the middle. These all we will erase later. Okay, and here this distance is 7.5. So at 5, I will mark roughly 1.5 and 1.5. And we'll draw a curve. After doing this much, we will take any bottle, small bottle or lid, something, and we will draw a circle. Now from here, around 1 centimeter, this is midpoint, 1.5 here and 1.5 here. We have taken, we'll join it like this. We'll draw a curve. Now double the face because this is Madhubani art. Madhubani is from present state of Bihar in India. And in Madhubani art, double lines are compulsory. Also, double line here. Also, double line this whole thing. Now, this is Madhubani Sugga. Sugga means parrot. It will have this design. So we will make sure other side how much it is going, and we will measure this. It's exactly 2. So here 12 to 14. And here also we'll mark and we'll try our best that both sides it's equal. Now we have to double line. There is also A kalgi we call it. So we draw a semicircle and it's drawn like this. Now we will erase this line. We'll erase all extra lines except the bottom one. Now we'll take our compass. We are drawing the semicircles. At least 4, 5. The center ones we will erase. Now here we will have one more line. Now let's come to the bottom part. Here just take equal distance from both sides. Let's say half inch, half inch. This is the eye of parrot. Okay, now here we are going to make an inverted lotus. It's always better to measure the distances. Now this side, from the center, I am marking at 2. Sorry, 2.5. And here also 2.5. And here at 7. And basically each petal of lotus I am taking as 2 centimeter wide. And the height is 5. We'll erase all the lines. Now this parrot is sitting on a branch. So tree's branch is going like this. This is pair of parrot. And we will show. Remember, any Madhubani is incomplete without border. So we have learned lots of borders. You can draw any border of your choice. In Madhubani, lots of decoration is done, and I'm not going to show in pencil because we all will paint it, and after giving the base color, we will paint it all together. Those who don't have paints, no need to worry. Just do everything in pencil as we are doing. Or you can take a black pen and do. Now, Madhubani tree trunk, I want to explain, is not like ordinary tree trunk. It is divided into various parts. One part, second part, we can have third part. Third will come incomplete. In this, we can show any design which is called kachni. Here we can draw circles and we can fill color. Same thing we will follow in the whole tree, whichever design we are following. This is our basic design. Paper, below that the design, and below that the tree. That is how we will paint it. Now, you cannot see because it's very dull. So what I'm going to do, I'll paint everything with white. I'll draw all the outline with white paint. I've given a border. I'll draw the border first. I have given very thin border because I wanted more design for painting of birds. Okay. Now I'm going to start the outline of birds. I know I can understand that you are not able to see. In Madhubani, normally outline is done with black, but because this is brown color, already dark color, I am painting base with white. This is a thick line. Okay, I'm filling white paint in it. If you're painting on the paper, you don't have to do this. You can just directly give double black line like I have done in the pencil. This is the outer circle. Remember, this is just the basic coat. Okay, outline work is over. Now I'm going to draw the lotus. This is actually the tail which we are drawing as a lotus. This is very common in Madhubani. I'm filling white paint inside because then second layer will come nicely. Gesso can be filled if you are doing on the wooden tray or on MDF tray. Better to give a coat of gesso. Now I am going to draw the tree trunk. Advantage of giving a coat of white is when we give the green color on the tray, it will be easily visible. Now I'm going to fill white color in the border also. The reason is then whichever border we will make, it will be very clear. We may have to give 2 coats of white. Actually, MDF trays are easily available in the market in every country. This is pure wood, solid wood. Now I'm going to give base coat here also so that when I will paint with different shades, the painting will be easy. This is just a basic. We can use primer for this. This is yellow paint. This is green, sap green. It's not yet dry. Let's learn on this how to do it. We'll start from the top black color outline. Now in this we show some kachni. You can make the whole thing in black and white also. I'm filling red color in between all the double lines. And I have given black outline. You can do it with pen also. We will fill green color. This is light green. We gave base color yellow so that green will come easily on the tray. On the tray, it's a problem. We have to give a base coat. And then second coat, then third coat, then only actual painting will start. Just like this, leaves will also have green color. I'll make half of this. We'll have black outline. Also, we have to give second coat of paint everywhere, here. This we can make yellow or red or orange or any other color. Second coat will come here because we can see the lines. So like this, I'll also keep it ready. So our base work is ready. Now I'm drawing in pencil. This is the eye. Then border I'm thinking of very simple, just maybe this one you can see. A simple lehra border, nothing great. I think I have to draw with the brush only. Then only it will be visible. So I'm taking this yellow color. This is lemon yellow color. And I'm going to use it for border. Very simple border. This is Madhubani. So in the end, we have to draw black outline everywhere. Although in my tray, black outline may not be visible because of brown color base. So this is basic work is over. We can do further designing as we wish. In Madhubani, no half lines. This is crimson red. So each petal will look like this. Same thing I'm going to do here, other side, but we can complete half side first and then we can proceed further. Now we have to do kachni on the stem. So on the brown one, light color. And let me try with white how it looks, otherwise we'll use yellow only. So in Madhubani, tree has to have kachni. This is light green. I think I should give touch of red also here to make it more attractive. Maybe outline. Crimson red I'm using. I'm making outline of the petal with green red color. मैं लाल रंग से पत्ती की आउटलाइन बना रही हूँ. इसके बीच में भी अगर हम हल्का सा टच दे दें पतली लाइन, ट्राई करते हैं कैसा लगता है. इस साइड भी वही. इतना काम हो गया हमारा. अब हम इसके सिर में शुरू करेंगे. जो सिर के ऊपर जो पंख हैं इनके, उनसे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो हम सब लाल रंग के ऊपर येलो कलर से पतली पतली कचनी करेंगे. बहुत सिंपल सी कचनी है ये. फिर से मैं याद दिला देती हूँ. कचनी का मतलब है लाइन वर्क. भरनी का मतलब है कलर्स को भरना, फिलिंग ऑफ कलर्स. अब इसके अंदर हम डैशेस देंगे कर्व करते हुए. So 3 lines we have made. Similarly, यहाँ पे भी हम कचनी दे रहे हैं. थोड़ा थिक देना पड़ेगा कलर, क्योंकि ये बेस लाइट ग्रीन होने से ये दिख नहीं रहा है. मैं रेड कलर ले रही हूँ ब्रश में, वही क्रिम्सन रेड. I have taken red color, crimson red paint. I'm going to try something. Let's see if it looks nice or not. इस डिजाइन में तोतों के पेट जुड़े हुए होते हैं. The tummy of both the parrots has to be joined. Some people call it Latpatiya Sugga also. But Latpatiya Sugga's drawing is very different compared to this. But yes, some people call it. The same type of border we can make here in the outer one, yellow and red and white. Our design will go like this, and in the end we will make the outline with black paint, which I am going to show you. The other parrot will also look like this. If we want, we can do a fine lining in the petals of the flowers. This is wet. We will give red lining here also. Let me try. We can also do work here in the border, but I have to be very careful because it's a curved surface for me. We can make some circles and then fill white paint in the circles. I'll show you some. We can leave them with red also. Like this. Now I take black color paint. This is black color paint, and we will draw the outline everywhere. So first outline will be in the border. In Madhubani, everything has to have a black color outline. Main branch of the tree, the tail of the parrots. It's a combined tail. This side of the parrot also will have black outline, but I'll give that after making this design. So our design will go like this. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.